Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to discuss about the problems, IPE problems. This topic here, power, work, energy and power. Which topic here? Work, energy and power. So in this topic, three long answers, very important. This academic year, this pandemic situation, the collisions is removed from the topic. So remaining questions here, work energy theorem and law of conservation of energy. Which questions here? Work energy theorem and law of conservation of energy. Okay, these two questions according to this pandemic situation, every ఇయర్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ క్వశ్చన్ అంటే ప్రతి సంవత్సరం చూసినట్టయితే మనకి ఒకే క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. కానీ ఈ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్లో ఈ టాపిక్స్ నుంచి 16 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. ఆ 16 మార్క్స్ కూడా మనకి 2 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్, వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ థియరం అండ్ వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ఓకే, ఈ 2 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ 100% మనకి ఈ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ వచ్చే ఛాయిస్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఈ 2 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్కి 2 అడిషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. Now discuss these two additional problems. Already work energy theorem and law of conservation of energy. These two questions already uploaded in YouTube. మీరు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూసినట్టయితే మీరు ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకి దీనికి సంబంధించిన టాపిక్లో మనకు లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. ఓకే, నౌ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ హియర్. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, see here. A pump is required to lift 600 kg of water per minute from a well 25 meters. From a well here 25 meters deep. Deep means depth. Deep means here depth. Next, and to eject means pumpadam. Okay, to eject it with a speed of velocity. Here 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. Now calculate the power required to perform the above task. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే వెల్ నుండి వాటర్ పంపింగ్ చేస్తుంది, ఎజెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వెల్. ద వాటర్ ఎజెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వెల్ అంటే బావి నుండి నీటిని ఆ పంపు బయటికి తీసేస్తుంది. ఫర్ మినిట్ 600 kg of water per minute. The velocity of the water here 50 meter per second. In this task here, the water consists of 2 energies, potential energy and kinetic energy. So power is equal to power formula work by time. So here power means here nothing but here according to work energy theorem, this power converting into mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. So power is equal to work by time, that is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy by time. Okay, now given data, see here. First of all, given data, how much here mass of the water? 600. Here mass of the water m is equal to 600 kg. Okay, 600 kg. The time taken per minute nothing but here 1 minute. How much time here taken? 1 minute. Here 1 minute. Time is equal to 1 minute, that is equal to here t implies t is equal to 60 seconds. Next, remaining the velocity of the water 50 meter per second. So velocity of water, how much here? V is equal to 50 meter per second. Remaining the deep of well 25 meters here. Deep nothing but డెప్త్. దాన్ని మనము బావి లోతు. ఏది వెల్ మీన్స్ ఇయర్ బావి అంటాం కదా, చేద బావి. మనం బావి ఇంటి దగ్గర మనం చూసినట్టయితే పంపు పెట్టేసి తీస్తాం కదా, ఆ బావి. ఓకే, నౌ డీప్ ఆఫ్ well D is equal to D, that is equal to your H, that is equal to your H is equal to 25 meters. 25 meters. This is a given data. Now power formula, power is equal to work by time. That is equal to your work is equal to potential energy and kinetic energy. So your power is equal to mgh plus of mv square by your t. Okay, here any terms, common terms here, m is a common, mass is a common. So the power is equal to, now your power is equal to m into gh plus remaining v square by 2 by here t. This is a power formula. This one here power formula. Power of the engine, power of the engine P is equal to m into gh plus v square by 2 by t. This one మనకి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఈ ఫార్ములా ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో మనకు ఆన్సర్లో రాసినట్టయితే ఈజీగా మనకు 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది. సింప్లిఫై చేసి ఎన్ని వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ రిమైనింగ్ 1 మార్క్. సో ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ ఇయర్ 2 మార్క్స్. అడిషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎన్ని వస్తున్నాయి, హౌ మెనీ మార్క్స్ ఇయర్, 2 మార్క్స్. వన్ ఈజ్ ఫార్ములా అకార్డింగ్ టు స్కీమా వాల్యుయేషన్, అకార్డింగ్ టు స్కీమా వాల్యుయేషన్ ఫార్ములా 1 మార్క్, రిజల్ట్ 1 మార్క్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఇయర్ 1 మార్క్. నోట్ దిస్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్, solving the problem, these values here substituting this formula, this values here substituting this formula. Now power P is units of the power watt, units of the power SI units of the power here watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 watt means joule per second. Power is a scalar quantity. Here power is equal to formula m into gh plus v square by 2 by t. Now values is substituting, values here substituting. Mass of the water 600 kg, 600 kg. The value of the g, the acceleration due to gravity, g is equal to 9.8 into h, deep of the well here 25, okay, plus v, velocity of the water 50 whole square by 2 by 60 by time of the per minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now any time get cancel here, terms 0 get cancel, 6 1 ja 6 1 ja. So remaining simplies here, remaining 10 into 9.8 into 25 plus, okay, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja here 25. So 00 by here 2, 00 by 2. Now by okay, this 10 multiplication inside, this one 10 multiplication and the 10 ఏం చేయాలి, లోపలికి గుణించండి, 10 ఏం చేయాలి, లోపలికి గుణించండి. Now after 10 into 9.8 into here 25, okay, plus remaining 20 here 2 1 ja, okay, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja and remaining 1 2 5 ja 0. Clear this one? Any doubt? Once again 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 2, remaining 1 2 5 ja 10. So 0 into 12 5 here 0 into 10 into 10. Now this multiply 25, one step here, the 0 10 into 9.8, that is equal to 98, that is equal to here 98. And then remaining 25 plus 12 5 00, 12 5 7 12,500. So these two terms sum 25 9 8 ja 200, 25 8 ja 200, 20 common here 25 9 ja 225, 225 plus 20 245, 245, okay, plus remaining 1 12,500. So the power is equal to this one, adding how much here? 14,950. 50 watt. 50. This is the power. This one here, power. This watt converting into kilowatt. This one here converting into kilowatts. Here power of the engine, P is equal to 14,950 watts. This one converting into just kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. So 1 watt is equal to joule per second. Joule per second. So your power is equal to 14.95 kilowatt. This is the power of the engine. This is the power of the engine. Okay, note this one. Next problem here. See here, next one. This one also very very important in IP. See here, question ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? A machine gun fires 360 bullets per minute. 360 bullets per minute, and each bullet travels with a velocity of 600 meter per second. How much velocity of the bullet here? 600 meter per second. If the mass of the each bullet is 5 grams, how much here mass? 5 grams. Only for 5 grams. Each bullet of the mass here 5 grams. Find the power of the machine gun. Find the power of the machine gun. ఇక్కడ దేని యొక్క పవర్ కనుక్కోవాలి మనము? Machine gun. So how to calculate this problem? First of all, here power formula already we know. Power is equal to work by time, that is equal to kinetic energy by time. Kinetic energy by time. Okay. Here given data, here mass of the bullet. Here mass of the first one, mass of each bullet in the how much here? M is equal to 5 grams. 5 gr or gm. Okay, that is equal to converting into M is equal to 5 into this grams converting into kg. Mass converting into kg. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1000 grams is equal to here 1 kg. So that is equal to 10 into 10 minus 3 kg. And mass of the each bullet is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Next one, the velocity of the bullet. Velocity of the bullet, V is equal to how much here? 600 meter per second. Meter per second. Next one here, next time. How much time here? This is the time per minute. Per minute means here 1 minute. Per minute means here 1 minute. So time T is equal to 1 minute. That is equal to here 60 seconds. That is equal to here 60 seconds. Now find the power. Here question mark here. Question mark P is equal to question mark here P. So before problem, power is equal to work by time, that is equal to here only for the velocity of the bullet. Only for velocity of the bullet. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒకటి మాత్రమే ఉంది. ఏ ఎనర్జీ ఉంది? ఓన్లీ ఫర్ kinetic energy. Only for kinetic energy. So here power is equal to number of bullets. Here given number of bullets means 360. Here number of bullets. How much bullets here? 3. N is equal to 360. This is a number. This one here number. Okay. Now power is equal to formula. Power formula. Power is equal to number of bullets into kinetic energy. Number of bullets into kinetic energy. Formula means number of bullets into. So here power is equal to number of bullets means N. Kinetic energy formula of M V square by time. This is a power formula. The power of the gun, P is equal to N into half mv square by T. Now these values substituting this equation. These values here substituting this equation. Now note this one. here P is equal to values. Tell me, P is equal to number of bullets means 360 into of mass of the each bullet here 5 into 10 power minus 3 into velocity of the bullet, each bullet 600 meter per second. So square by time is equal to here 60 seconds. Okay, 0 0 get cancel, 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 6 6 ja, that is equal to here power is equal to remaining terms here this one multiplication term 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 2 1 ja here 2 3 ja, remaining 3 into 5 into 10 power 3 10 power minus 3 into here square, this is 600 is means square, 6 6 ja 36, 6 ja 36 here double 0 into power of 4 power of 4. Now simplifies here power P is equal to 3 5 ja 15 into 36 into here 10 power minus 3 10 power 4 remaining only 10 power 1, that is equal to 10, that is equal to here 10. Okay, now simplifies here power of the machine gun here 15 6 ja 15 6 ja calculate అండి 15 into 36. Okay, 15 6 ja 90 okay 9 15 3 ja 45 plus 9 54. This is a 549. So here 549 into 0 into remaining 0. Okay, remaining clear. Simplifies here P is equal to here leave it, how much here 36. Any mistake?
15 into 36 is equal to 540.
5400. This is a 00. Okay, leave it, just వినండి. ఇదే రిమైనింగ్ ఇదే కదా 15 into 36 ఇక్కడ క్లియర్. ఓకే, 15 6 ja 90 15 6 ja 90. Okay, once again 15 6 ja here once again 36 15 6 ja 90 0 9 remaining. Okay, 15 3 ja 44 plus 9 54. Okay, this is a 54. Okay, clear. Here remaining terms 54 9 5400. This is a power, this one here power. So this is a watt, this one here watt. Okay, now this watt converting into kilowatt, this one converting into kilowatt. Any doubt? Okay, so power of the machine gun here P is equal to 5.4 kilowatt. This is the answer. Okay, note this one. Next one problem here. This problem also TS తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ లో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం 2019. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎప్పుడు అడిగినాం, ఇది 2019లో టీఎస్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ 2019 ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అడగడం జరిగింది. సో సి ఇయర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ calculate the power of a pump required to lift 600 kg of water per minute. Here per minute. Okay, this is the time is equal to here 60 seconds from a well of 25 meter, here 25 meter deep. before we are also discussed. So pump problem, that problem required velocity of the water. In this problem there is no velocity of the water, so only for potential energy, only for your potential energy. So power is equal to work by time, that is equal to potential energy by time, that is equal to your potential energy by time. So first of all note this one, mass of water, how much here? Similar problem, 600 kg. Okay, next, deep of well, here h is equal to 25 meter. Just here time t is equal to 1 minute. How much here time? Only for 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds. That is equal to 60 seconds. So power is equal to formula work by time. That is equal to here work here nothing but here only potential energy. So power is equal to potential energy by time. So here power is equal to potential energy by just time. This is a formula, that means here P is equal to mgh by T. This is a power problem, this one here power. Okay, power is equal to mgh by T. So this value is substituting here, ఈ విలువలను ఎక్కడ ప్రతిక్షేపించాలి? ఈ సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించండి. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ we will get the ఇది power of the pump. Now note this one, here calculation, power is equal to m means mass. How much here mass? 600 kg into g is equal to 9.8. Here g is equal to 9.8 into h, deep of the 25 by 60. Here by 60, here 0 ones cancel, 6 1 ja, so that is equal to 10 into 9.8 into 25, that is equal to here 98 into 25 8 ja 200, 25 8 ja 200, 20 25 9 ja 225 plus 20 245. Clear? 245 watt, 245 watts. Okay, this is a power of the here pump. Power of the pump is equal to 2550 watts. That is equal to here P is equal to 2.45 kilowatt. This is the answer. This one here very these three questions here very important in IP. మన ఛానల్ని చూడండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, హెల్ప్ చేయండి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you, sir.